Hello, students. Today is the class that we're missing on Thursday, the 10th of February. So I've made a video to replace that class so you can upload this class on Scholar, this video. So we're going to have a look at have a look now. Yeah, this is on page 70. So it's a bit of a review of what we did on Tuesday. So we have to look at the pictures and then do the crossword. So we've got is it 13 items there on the crossword? So you've got here one word. Is that, what do you think that is? Let's have a look. So it's fairly easy, I think, for you to do this yourself. Having a look at the features that you've already done, like here, there's a cactus. So is that, and then that's number 11, which is here, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. So I would like to do this with the Annotate pen, but I'm very slow at it. But so here, number 1 is a hill. And then number 11 is a desert. So I think you can do the rest of it quite easily. It's on page 70 in the workbook if you haven't got it open already. Okay, so take me a bit of time to do that. So let's just have a peep at the answers, shall we? Then, oh, there we have it there. And then, so we got all the numbers. So yeah, number 11 was a desert. Number 1 was a hill. And then you can fill it all in. Number 2 is a waterfall. Number 3 is a lake. 4 is the island. And so on. And then, yeah, number 13 is the, it's down here. Okay, we got some more down here, have we? Oh, yeah. Where's number 13? Oh, that's the cave anyway. On number 13. Oh, here's the valley here. Yeah. Okay, so you can complete that crossword yourselves. And then, so we were looking also at the word the. Do we use it or not? So which ones do we use the for? Let's have a look. So we need it for deserts, but we don't need it for rivers. Oh yeah, so we do need it for rivers. So the Danube River, but we don't need it for lakes or beaches. But we do need it for seas. So we've got the Atacama Desert is in South America. The Danube River is in Europe, but here Lake Manchar is in Asia. Bondi Beach is in Australasia. Ross Sea is in Antarctica. Okay, I don't know about the Ross Sea, but it's somewhere in Antarctica, maybe frozen. And then, yeah, we looked at the compass, north, south, east, and west. So you can write about facts about Indonesia, which places in the north of Indonesia, which places in the south of Indonesia. So have a look at the map of your country, and we live in West Java, so maybe perhaps Bogor is in the west of the country. In the east is places like Sulawesi. But yeah, you know perhaps better than me. Have a look at the map and you can fill that one in yourselves. And you can label the compass as well. N is obviously north. It's got the letter there. So, and then now we're looking at measurements. So we want to know how long a river is. So the Volga River is in Russia. And so we would ask, how long is it? It's 3,692 kilometers long. It's pretty long, but not as long as the Nile or the Amazon. I'm not sure how many kilometers they are. Maybe 8,000 or 10,000. Can't remember. Anyway, now when you jump in a swimming pool, if you can't swim, you need to know how deep it is. Yeah. So how deep is this swimming pool? So it's 1 meter at this end and 2 meters at the other end. So this is the shallow end, 1 meter. So, but if you're not very tall, you might struggle in the deep end, yeah? So we were saying in at the deep end, that means you're thrown into a difficult situation straight away. So I hope you could swim and you know, drown in the deep end. Now, a block of flats or an apartment block, and perhaps people call them in America, there are 25 floors. So how high is that block of flats? So there are 25 stories or 25 floors. So how many meters, I don't know. And then how old is your house? It was built in 1873. So yeah, it's that's pretty old, isn't it, for a house? I used to have a house like that was pretty old. And then how is the hotel? So they've got 300 rooms. So how big is the hotel? It's pretty big, 300 rooms. Okay, so there we have it. Long, deep, high, old, and big. So we can put them in a question with how long, how deep, how high, how old, how big. Okay, so now we've got an interesting lake here, Lake Baikal in Russia. So you might find it on the superlatives, natural wonders. It's one of the slides. So I've also posted on Scholar. So you need to find out how deep it is. It's pretty deep. How long and how wide it is, and how old it is as well. And it's a lake that it freezes in the winter in Russia. So you can skate along the huge lake. It's one of the perhaps most beautiful places to visit. So, but yeah, not very easy to get to from Indonesia. But so have a look about Lake Baikal and complete the challenge. Okay, and then I'll see you next week for the reading and listening test next week. Okay, grade 6, have a nice weekend. Stay safe. And yeah, don't break anything. Okay, bye for now.